Hello everybody, I am Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 6. So we are just moving there here and we will discuss this assignment. Okay, there is problem with this one. So we will discuss this assignment that is related to chapter 6 ML1. We just open our instruction file. Then first we have to click on enable editing. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. Okay. So in today's video we'll discuss XP25 Excel chapter 6 ML1 housing cost. We just increase its size, then change its color so it must be visible. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignments. So in today assignment we have question number 1 up to 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 question in graded part. Then question number 17 is a non-graded one in which we have to save, close that Excel file where we have work, then exit Excel, then submit and get the score. Okay, so now I'm just moving toward the top. So in today's video we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 6 ML1 housing cost. Now we are just discussing project description. Your friends Ajahn and Valerie Flooring wants to build their dream house. They identified a tentative cost but they cannot afford estimated cost this one. You will use goal seek to determine an estimate of total finished square footage they can afford to help provide more flexibility in their decision making. You will create a data table listing various finished square footage and their effects on the base house cost and total cost. Finally, you will create another data table showing combination of square footage and lot of price to identify total cost. So that was the projection, just like description of project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Okay, so now we are just moving toward solution, graded part. Well, let me start graded part step by step. Steps to perform, and here is instruction. Okay, so in question number 1, start file, download and open Excel, this one. Then grader has automatically added your name, last name in the beginning of file. We have already downloaded this file from Pearson and grader have already added our name there. So we have to open the solution file. It is just getting opening. Once it opens, then we will start work. Click on enable editing. Okay, so question number 1 is done. In question number 1 we have to download the file that is there in Pearson. After downloading, when we open that one, then grader will automatically add our name in the beginning of the file. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Assign the range B9 base, B15 interior and B21 exterior, and last we give range name B23 lot. Now we have to give the range name. First we have select B9. Here we write B9, press enter, and there we have to in the name. What name we have to in there? We have to in base. Copy this one, then put that name here. Okay, press enter. Then B15. Now we have to select cell B15. and there we have to give the name interior. Copy, then paste that name here. Okay, then B21, and there we have to in the name exterior. Okay, then we copy, then we select cell B23. Here we write B23. Now we have to name that lot. Copy this name from here and give that name here. Okay, lot. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to assign the range name B9 base, B15 interior, B21 exterior, and B23 lot. We have assigned that one. So question number 2 is done. Mean we got 4 marks. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Sorry, question number 3. Enter formula in cell B23 to calculate total estimated cost. First we have to write there B25 there. Now we have to put a formula there to find total estimated cost. The total estimated cost is the sum of base house B9, total interior upgrade B15, total exterior upgrade B21, and a lot fees B23. Now we have to add all these values there. So we just write equal. Now what we have to use, we have to sum, sum of base house B9. Where is B9? This one, plus then sum of total upgrade, this one, interior exterior, then we have to sum this one exterior, then a lot, then press enter. Okay, be sure range name in formula. Yes, there are range name when we just select the formula. So question number 4 is done. Sorry, question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to enter formula in cell B25 to calculate the total estimated cost. The total estimated cost is the sum of base house price B9, total interior upgrades B15, and total exterior upgrades B21, and lot fees B23. Be sure to use a range name in formula. Okay, we have in that one. So question number 4 is question number 3 is done, and we earn 4 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Use goal seek to determine the total finished square footage to meet the total cost of goal. That is this one. Yes, use goal seek to determine the total finished square footage. We have to use goal seek total finished square footage. There is, okay, then what we have to do, we have to use goal, click on data, and there is what if analysis, goal seek. Okay, what we have to meet the total cost of goal. Is total cost of goal, this one, and by what price we have gained $350,000. $350,000. Then simply press OK. So Okay, so that is done. So question number 4 is done, in which we have to use goal seek to determine the total finished square footage to meet the total cost of goal $350,000, and we earn 8 marks. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Enter a series of total square footage entering from 1800 to 3600 and increment is 200 in the range D6 to D15. Where is D6? First we have to find D6. Here is D6 and here we have to put 1800. Okay, then increment of 200, next is 2000. Now select both one. Then where we have to move? We have to move till 3600. So we just move, yes, 3600. Okay. Then we have to apply blue font and comma style with zero decimal place to a series. We have to apply blue font. Here's font and here's blue font. No, no, yes, blue font. Then we have to apply comma style with zero decimal place. Comma style with zero decimal place. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5, we earn 12 marks. Okay, that is quite big one. In question number 5, we have to enter a series of total square footage ranging from 1800 to 3600 in increments of 200 in the range of D6 to D15. After entering all the data, then we have to apply blue font and comma style with zero decimal place to that series, and we have applied. After solving question number 5, we get this result. Okay, so question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Enter a reference to a base house price in cell E5 and a reference to total estimated cost of cell EF5. So now we have to in the values of reference total estimated cost F5. Okay, we have to in E5. Where is E5? Okay, here we have in a reference into a reference to base house price in E5 equal and base house price, this one. Okay, then what is next? Reference then to total estimated cost F5. Here total estimated cost, where is that one? I think so, this one, total estimated cost. Select this one and press enter. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to enter reference to a base house price in cell E5 and reference to a total estimated cost in cell F5. So question number 6 is done and we earn 7 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 7. Complete the single variable data in the range D5 to F15. Be sure to use total square footage column input and apply custom number format to display base cost. Cell E5 total cost for this one. Okay, now we have to complete a single variable data range, that is in D5 to F15. D5 to F15. Then click on data. There is data table. Now for single we have to use column range. Okay, column input. So total square footage as column input. Where is total square we have to in total square footage. Yes, this one is our column input. Press OK, so that will be there. Then now we have to apply a custom number format to display base cost in cell E5. Where is E5? This one is E5. Select this one. Then home. There is custom format. Okay, so now we have to in that one down. Then in E5 we have to in total cost as for custom name. Where is E5? This one is E5. Select this one. And then here is custom inverted commas, paste the name, then inverted commas, and simply press OK. So that will be there. And in last part of question number 7, we have to apply these formulas to headings bold, center, and blue font color. Now we have to make that bold. Bold, then center, and then we have to apply blue font. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7 we have to complete the single variable data table in the range D5 to F15. Be sure to use total square footage as column input. After getting the result, then we have to apply custom number format to display base cost in cell E5 and total cost in cell F5. Apply these format to headings bold, center, and blue. So after solving question number 7, we earn 12 marks. It's biggest question, and we get this result after solving question number 7. So same way we will solve question number 8, 9 up to question number 16 step by step. You may see we have just 16 questions. Out of 16 we have done first 7 to 8 questions. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get A grade 100% marks in next 1 hour. And our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, Power BI, Tableau. So whatever you need to have regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get A grade 100% marks in next 1 hour. Remember that in today's video we have discussed XP25 Excel chapter 6 ML1 housing cost. Then we just discuss project description. Then we solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and discuss question number 8. So we have done almost half of assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.